Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a savory protein pancake with protein powders and kimchi. This recipe is without any oil and very easy to make. So if you are tired of just drinking your protein powder every day, try use them to make this. Now let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this, unflavored whey protein powder. We need 20 grams of it. Then, 15 grams of almond flour. This amount is the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It helps you burn fat and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, feel free to replace it with normal wheat flour. Your pancake will still taste good. Okay, then 35 grams of all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And for this one specifically, this is enough. We don't need to add anything else. The kimchi is gonna do all the magic. Now, we mix all of them thoroughly. When it's well mixed, put it aside. Now we can prepare the liquid. We need 85 milliliters of whole milk. Then, 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance its flavor. So, in total, we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with powders. Then stir. After it's nicely mixed, pour it onto a plate. Now we can put the kimchi on it. Simply cover the whole surface with kimchi. This usually takes around 150 grams. And now it's ready for the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get out of the microwave. Now microwave it at max power for 8 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave. Or for 10 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. Okay, 8 minutes later, our pancake is cooked. If you have watched the other videos of this series, you may have noticed this one took longer to cook than most others. That's because kimchis are very watery. It took longer for everything to set. Okay, now you can already eat it like this. But for me, it lacks one final touch. It's not browned at all, because microwave doesn't brown things. So, to make it perfect, I'll now use an air fryer to brown it real quick. To transfer the pancake, first shuffle the edge all around. Then you can easily shuffle the whole thing up. Put it into the air fryer. Heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or around 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And as for the plate, if you don't want to wash it right now, put it under water. Then it'll be easy to clean when you get back to it. 5 minutes later, it's done, nicely browned. And we have made some of the kimchi a little crispy and a little caramelized. Now, time for the nutrition facts. Each one of these has around 372 kcals of calories, 28 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, and 784 milligrams of sodium. This one is really easy to make, maybe the easiest one in this series, but maybe the most appetizing one, thanks to the kimchis. And if you are one of those people who find cold kimchi smells a little pungent, well, these cooked kimchis don't have that problem. So try this. Maybe it'll make you fall in love with kimchi. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking, take care.